Welcome to What Gear, and today I'm comparing the Asus Zenfone 6 with the flipping camera versus the iPhone XS Max. And I'm at a car show today, so there's some awesome cars here. I've also got the Shure MV88 mic hooked up to this camera, so hopefully the audio is pretty good too. Anyway, let's take some photos. Okay, so let's kick this off with a question. Before you see all of the photos, which one of these phones do you think will win this? There's a poll up in the top right corner where you can vote, so place your vote now and leave me a comment at the end of the video if the results differ from what you thought. Picture 1. So this is a bright red Chevrolet Camaro, and it kind of had this really nice satin finish to it, which you can really see on both photos. The color science of the two devices are clearly hugely different. At first glance, I really like the warmer red tones coming from the iPhone. However, on closer inspection, the iPhone does seem to lose some detail in the shadows, and that's because it's crushing the blacks just a bit. To see what I mean, take a look at the headlight and the wheel arch on the right side of the car. Picture 2. Okay, a fine detailed photo of this fast and furious looking engine. Both devices do a really good job here when it comes to detail. Again, the iPhone has a slightly deeper black level and the Zenfone has higher contrast. It's pretty evenly matched here. The main difference being the slightly warmer tones on the Zenfone 6 photo and the cooler tones on the iPhone XS Max photo. Which one do you think won? Picture 3. Okay, I believe this is a 1934 Ford Hot Rod in pristine condition. Again, both the Asus Zenfone 6 and the iPhone XS Max do a really impressive job. And once again, the main difference is the slightly orange hue on the Zenfone 6 photo and a slightly cooler blue tone on the iPhone XS Max, which is really surprising for me because in past camera comparisons, the iPhone generally has warmer tones, but not this time. Which one looks better? Let me know in the comments below. Picture 4. Okay, this is a selfie test. So I accidentally took the selfies on the Zenfone in 16:9, but it actually worked out pretty well because now you can see all three photos together at the same time. So as you know, this is where the Zenfone has a clear advantage with its flip camera because the primary camera is the selfie camera. Whilst the iPhone XS picture does look good, it does seem to struggle a little bit with high dynamic range. To see what I mean, take a look at the clouds in the sky above my head. They're almost non-existent on the iPhone photo. Now compare the image to the two Zenfone 6 photos where you can see way more details in the clouds. I feel the skin tones on both are pretty good, but maybe more accurate on the Zenfone 6. And that's because the iPhone adds a beauty mode just automatically. And one of the good things about the Zenfone 6 is that ultra wide angled lens, which actually allows you to get a lot more people in the photo if you're taking group photos. Now onto a video test. Hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of this camera comparison. If you want to check out the low light comparison on these two phones, the thumbnails are on screen right now. Click that and I'll see you guys on the other side. Or if you want to check out some of my other videos, go check out these thumbnails on the right. Those ones are really popular. Anyway, see you in the next one. Don't be late.